we are with the greens harvester, and this is for the battery self-propelled operation greens harvester. We're going to be doing the clutch adjustment. And really why this is important is if you have an issue with your greens harvester where you can't get it to go in neutral, in other words, you're trying to pull this and it doesn't want to pull back, it stays locked in place. There's a good chance that this needs to be adjusted, the cable. So Remain's going to explain the clutch mechanism first so you understand how it works, and then we'll show you a few quick adjustments to get you going.
So what we have here, we have the clutch system with like two pieces of metal which are going one inside of the others. And when you press the handles, the two pieces of metal are just moving from one to the other.
Okay.
So I can show you there. It's not a big movement, but it's moving.
Okay.
And sometimes, like the time after time, use after use, of course, it needs to be adjusted. So
and possibly at times even from the factory.
It can happen.
Yes, there can be happen. So it may even be if you're having an issue right at the very beginning, this might be a time that you might even look at that.
Yeah. So it's very easy. It's a bit like a bicycle brake. So you need 2 branch, 10 and 8.
Okay.
And you just adjust the tension of that cables to get enough tension to unclutch the wheel. Okay. Sometimes also because we have those 2 parts of metal. When you also unclutch, you just need to press and move a bit back and forward, just to get those 2 pieces of metal disengaged. So before adjusting the clutch, be careful. Then it's really a problem of cable tension instead of getting those 2 parts of metal.
Okay.
So it's very easy. You can do it from the handles or directly from the clutch. So you just unloose here the bolts and turn right here to have more tensions or less tensions.
Okay, so which way is which?
Okay, it's if you want to have more tensions, you have to go out.
Yep.
And less tensions, you have to go inside.
Okay.
To put more or less tension on that cables.
Okay. All right, so that is a quick overview of the clutch adjustment assembly process that if you need to make any adjustments and how that system works if you're having trouble getting it to work in neutral. All right, thank you. Have a great day.